If you're looking for a powerful electric mountain bike without spending a fortune, the Paselec TX29 is definitely one that's getting a lot of attention in 2026. After checking out its specs and rider feedback, the first thing that stands out is the dual motor setup. Paselec claims up to 3,000 watts of peak power, combined with a 48-volt 19.2 Ah battery, giving it strong hill climbing ability and a claimed range of up to 65 miles. It also comes with full suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and 27.5-inch all-terrain tires, making it capable of handling both trails and daily commuting. In real-world use, riders generally praise the bike's power, comfort, and value for the price. However, some users have mentioned that the actual range can be lower when using both motors heavily, and a few have raised concerns about long-term durability and component quality. So, is it worth your money? I'd say yes, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, high-powered e-bike and understand that some of the advertised performance figures may be optimistic. For the price, the TX29 offers an impressive package, but serious riders may want to keep their expectations realistic. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick e-bike reviews.